If equipped, the Genesis GV70 Smart Posture Care System is designed to automatically detect and provide an optimized seating position for the driver. This system can help provide a healthy posture position for the driver's back and sets the steering wheel, side view mirrors, and head-up display positions according to the driver's body measurements. To start, ensure that the vehicle is on and the gear is in park. Next, press Setup, Vehicle, Seat, Smart Posture Care, then enter driver's information. Enter the driver's information for height, sitting height, and weight. Select Posture Analysis to analyze the current seating position. If the current seating position is not optimal, select Adjust Posture, and Smart Posture Care will adjust the driver's seat, steering wheel, side view mirrors, and head-up display to the optimal positions. The newly adjusted seating position can be saved by pressing the memory button and then either the 1 or 2 seat memory buttons. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.